Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Today before starting the class, I want to give you one information, that is today in the data sheet you have to find it out that there is a link for you to join WhatsApp group. Alright, so section A students will join in the link given for section A. Section B students will join in the link for section B, and section C students will join in the link given for section C, and section D students will join in section D. Okay, don't join in all the groups. All right, okay, so let me start the class. Today we are going to do exercise 2.2. Okay, so the first question is add vertically. We have done it, again we are doing it. Okay, so you have to add it. As you know these things, I am not going to do all the problems. Okay, so what will be the answer here? 6 and 1, it will be 6 plus 1 is 7. So vertical method also we learned, horizontal also we learned, everything we learned from the try this, but now we are doing from the exercise. Okay, and you have to write these things in your copy. Okay, the first 4 lines, okay, the first 4 sums you will do, okay, in your copy. Now 4 plus 4 is how much, children? 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. What is the next question? It is 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is how much? Very good. It is 4. And here 8 plus 9 is, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. In the same way, 7 plus 2 is also 9. So the remaining 3 sums you will do in the textbook by yourself, but in the copy you will be doing only the first line. That means this one, this one, this one and this one you will do in your copy, and all the sums you will do in your textbook. Okay, as we are doing regularly. Alright. Now let us go to question number 2. That is add horizontally. So that is also same. The only difference is that we are adding it in a horizontal method. So here 1 plus 5 will be how much, kids? Yes, it is 6. Now 3 plus 3 is also very good. It is also 6. And 7 plus 2 is, yes, if you are having difficulty in adding, you may draw lines or you may draw circle, whatever. Okay, it's easy for you, you do it that way. Okay, again 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 5 plus 3 is how much, students? Yes, it is also again 8. Now 4 plus 5 is 9, isn't it? So here also add horizontally also you will do only the first 3 sums in your textbook. That means this one and this one you will do in the textbook, and everything you will be doing in the textbook. Okay. In the same way we are going to do question number 3. Okay. Question number 3 is simple adding of 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3 single digit number. Okay, 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. But how many are there? There are 3. As I told you before, you can arrange it in any way, in any order you can add. But as here it is given that 2 and 1 you have to add first, then you have to write the answer here. Then with that answer you have to add this 6. Then you have to add total and write down the answer here. Okay, so let us start. So first one is 2 and 1 will become how much? It is 3, right? Then this 6 will come here. So what is the answer, children? Yes, it is 9. In the same way, this one, 4 plus 3, it is 7, and this 1 will come here. So now tell me, what is the answer of 7 plus 1? Yes, it is 8. Now let us do The third one, 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, whatever it may be, it is 5. Now this 1 will come here. So what is the total of 5 and 6? Sum of 5 and 6 is, 5 and 1 is 6. In the same way here, you have to add 5 and 0. Have you seen this one? The arrow, the bracket you have seen, that means 5 and 0 you have to add and 1 you have to write here. Here also 4 and 3 you have to add and write here, then 2 will come here. Okay, so let us do. There is an arrow, so we are writing the 1 here, and 5 plus 0 is 5. Any number added to 0 will remain the same. So here also 5 plus 1 will be 6. Now here 2 will come here because the arrow is given. Now 4 plus 3, yes, it is 7. So 7 plus 2 is how much, children? 9. Okay, so in the copy you will be doing only 3 sums, that is the first one, okay, first one, this one, okay, and the last one. Alright, these two not required. Okay, children. So now let us do mental maths from page number 33. Okay, mental maths you have to write fully in your copy. Okay, there are 6 sums only. You have to write all the 6 sums in your copy. Okay, fully you have to write it in the copy. So I am giving a tick here completely. Okay, so now tell me 5 plus how much will be 7? See, here it is 7. The total should become 7. 5 plus some number, it should become 7. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So it will be 5 plus 2 is 7. Right, children? So I write here 2. In the same way, here it is 9, isn't it? With 6, what you have to add to make it 9? 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. You have to count it mentally that way. Okay. Since we have not reached the subtraction chapter, I am not going to show it in that way. Okay, because otherwise you can minus from 9, you can minus 6, you will get 3. Okay, but that way it will not be easy for you now. Okay, so this one is 2 plus 2 will be 4. Then again 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 5 plus 2 it should be, isn't it? So that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So with 1, what you have to add to make it 1? No change. So it should be 0. Okay. In the same way here, the total should be 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then again 2 plus what it should be? 2. Obviously it should be 0. Right? So now here, see, the both sides should be made equal. It is 8 plus 2. Isn't it? 8 plus dash is equal to 2 plus 8. That means 8 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 8. That means what? Even if the order changes, the sum remains the same. Okay, children? So, only this much in today's online class for you. Once again, I remind you to join the WhatsApp group, okay, given in the data sheet, but you have to join in your own section. Okay, section A students will join in section A, section B will join in section B, section C students will join in section C, and section D students will join in section D. Okay, students? Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.